ko. That's so feel. Hi guys! Oh, you see me in my video? Look, my video, it's okay. So, we have something, guys. What is this, Habi?
Amazon.
So, from Amazon daw. Hindi ko alam. Surprise. We'll see. Kung ano to. What inside. So, here. We'll see, guys. Surprise. I don't know kung nakita ba sa camera ang unboxing ko. We'll see. We'll see. So, tabi natin yung carton. Oh, rods. So, oh.
This is the microphone.
Here have microphone. What is that? Das one.
Ja, das ist, was ich brauche.
Okay.
Das ist für deine Zähne.
Okay. So, hindi ko alam kung para sa, ano to guys, para sa antibacteria tubs. Okay. So, this one guys, ayun, may pa-surprise si Habi. Look. So, let's see. And we'll see. So, it's that. Hurrah! You see in my video?
Ja.
Okay, like this guys. So, like that. Ayoko sirain yung karton. Kaya, ang karton pag ganun, pag ganun. Ay! Kasi ito, tutulak mo pa. Ay, I don't know. Ay, I don't know. Aso, sarado pa. Wala, ayaw matulak. Sarado pa eh. Hurrah! Hurrah! So, like that. Like that. Okay. Ayun guys, ayan, may pa-mic na ganun. And then, oh, inside here, may pouch siya sa mga ano niya, aparatos. At saka, carton lang yun. Tsaka ito, yung wire niya, na ikukunik. So, yun lang, carton. And then,
Ich glaube, da ist auch noch was drin.
yeah, mayroon. I don't know what is inside here. So, yung standing niya guys, nandito. Para, anuhan, tungtungan. Ito. So,
Du kannst das Mikrofon auch auf deine Arme montieren.
okay, we'll see. So, this one. Manual.
Auswendig lernen.
Oh. Ang ganda naman yung pa-pouch nila. Tapos ito lang ang laman. Yung USB microphone. Okay. Oh, mayroon pang I love Rod. So, the owner of this is Roddy.
Ja, das ist Studiomikrofon, so wie sie es auch im Studio zum Aufnehmen von Schallplatten verwenden.
So, it's like that, guys. So, na mayroon na tayong pa-microphone. Alright po. We'll say that's it, guys, our unboxing. Thank you.
Kann ich mein Messer haben?
Yes.